Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to put apps on desktop in Windows 11. Click Start, click All Apps. Simply drag the app to desktop. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.